Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me in today's video. Please take a quick second to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Today I am going to be showing you what I purchased from Deciem. Y'all, I have become addicted to this company. Their brand, The Ordinary, specifically for their skincare and makeup products, y'all. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but when I do, I'm transitioning to The Ordinary makeup products. Before then, I used a lot of, I believe it's Bare Essentials. Yeah, Bare Essentials, and I think it's like one other brand, and I still have those makeup products because I don't use a lot. But I'm switching over to Deciem. I was first attracted to their brand, The Ordinary, with the skincare products, and I'm kind of moving into the makeup products. Make sure you check out my unboxing from previous videos, and then I think I also have a skincare playlist. Check that out so you can see how I use the products. So here is the box. Of course, it is unopened. I've been having this box for a few weeks. If you're familiar with Deciem, you know that they do not participate in the Black Friday sales, but they do have a sale the entire month of November. And this year, instead of doing the sale in November, they did it in June, I believe. Let me see, y'all, this is July. I believe they did it in June, yeah. So I think it was maybe 3 or 4 days. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. Some of you have purchased during the sale also. And like in November, it is 23% off. I wasn't gonna get nothing, y'all, but like, it's Deciem and it's The Ordinary. And I still have products from like my first haul. Of course, I have products from my second haul. This is my third haul, but it's like my 5th time purchasing. So, okay, y'all, let's get to the unboxing. Got my handy dandy scissors. Y'all, and I'm trying to keep everything like in the frame of like my bedpost back there because y'all, we gonna be zooming and cropping. So let's open up the box. And like I said, I bought this during their sale. I think like on the last day, or like the day before the last day. And let's see what I got. All right, so here is the box. They always have this paper wrapping. Oops, there went my receipt. All right, and here is the items. I didn't buy as much stuff as what I usually buy, but I got a good bit. Y'all, let me pick up that receipt so I can see what I was supposed to have in the box. Bought a total of 12 items. The price is not on here. Each item was 23% off of their original price. And if y'all hear the crows, y'all, because y'all know every time I record, no matter where it is, it's some kind of noise, some kind of disturbance. I'm being terrorized and chased. I'm about to die. Y'all, just come on now. Do I give y'all entertainment or what? The first product that I got was 100% organic cold pressed borage seed oil, daily support formula for all skin types. The Ordinary has several different oils, and I wasn't really interested in getting the oils. Like, I wanted to try them, but I didn't want to buy them. And since this video, or none of my videos are sponsored, and I wasn't finna get none for free, I was like, let me go ahead and just try it. I did some research a while back on borage seed oil, but of course I did not prepare that research for this video, so you got to do your research yourself. The next product that I got is the Marine Hyaluronics Ultra Lightweight Hydration Support with Marine Derived Vegan Water Reservoirs. Okay, so I have the regular hyaluronic acid. I believe this is just the marine version of it. This is something that you can use in the AM and PM before creams. And I believe that's similar to the hyaluronic acid. This next product, I have been waiting for this product to be available forever. This product was actually being reformulated, and so it wasn't available for like months and months and months. And when it was available, it was always out of stock. So when I saw that this product was available, I definitely jumped on it, and I actually got 2 of these. And this is the Salicylic Acid 2% solution formulated for blemish-prone skin. Right now, I'm using a cleanser that has salicylic acid in it. It's not by The Ordinary, but I do have the Ordinary Squalane cleanser, and I use that also. The directions say to apply once daily in the evening, apply a small dot to the target area, or apply a small amount over the face for general use. Do not use on sensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes. One thing I like about The Ordinary is that they give you specific directions and instructions on how to use their products, what to be aware of, how to patch test their products before use. They tell you all of that. They have some information on the box and on the bottle or the individual bottles of the product, but they have much more information on the website. I highly recommend that you check out the website if you want more information on each individual product. And then I believe they also have an online chat feature. There's a FAQ. You can email them. It's all kind of ways where you can get information on the products directly from the company that actually made these products. Here's the other Salicylic Acid 2% solution. And then I also got another product. This is the Salicylic Acid 2% Anhydrous solution formulated for blemish-prone skin. This one says apply in the morning and evening. And the same directions, apply a small dot to the target area, blah, blah, blah. So this one you can use in the morning and the evening. And then the original Salicylic Acid 2% solution, use that in the evening. And I got 2 of the anhydrous products. The next product that I got is the Caffeine solution 5% plus Egcg. It reduces the appearance of eye contour pigmentation and of puffiness. I've heard a lot about this product, and I just wanted to see how it would work for me, or if I would see any kind of benefits just from me using it. One channel that I watch that has a lot of information on The Ordinary Deciem products is Mad About Skin. He is based in England. Oh my goodness, he has so much information on Deciem brand, all of the Deciem like sub brands, but a lot about The Ordinary. He actually has his own skincare line, and I'm definitely going to make a purchase at some point. I really want to try his products, but Mad About Skin, please check out his channel. If you want to know anything about The Ordinary products besides going to the website, check out Mad About Skin. The next product that I have is the 100% plant-derived Hemi Squalane. This is pure Hemi Squalane, a very lightweight plant-derived solution. It has applications for hair and for skin. I'm not going to be using it in my hair. I'm going to be using it on my skin. It says apply a few drops to the entire face once daily or as needed. And then it also gives you information about irritation. Don't use it on unbroken skin. And I like that it is fragrance free. It says it supports healthy hair, tames hair frizz, supports healthy skin, and hydrates skin. And I think that's why I bought it, for the hydrating skin, because it's been very dry, hardly any humidity, and I just need to be hydrated and moisturize my skin and my hair, but I'm going to be using this for my skin. The next product that I got, and I've heard a lot about this also, is the Matrixyl 10% plus hyaluronic acid. It is a high strength peptide formulation. The directions are to apply a few drops to face AM and PM. Again, I did a lot of research on this particular product and its ingredients. I'm not prepared to share that for this video because it's impromptu, but please check out that website for more information. So all of those products were for skincare, and then I have another skincare set that I bought. But let me move over to the makeup side of The Ordinary. These are products that I purchased before, I believe, but I just bought some more. This is the Ordinary Colors Full Coverage Concealer High Coverage Formula, and I got it in 2 colors. I got the 2.0 YG Light Medium, and then the 2.1 Y Medium. The last thing that I purchased was actually a set. The Ordinary has 3 or 4 like skincare sets, and I think the reason why I bought this set is because one of the individual products was actually sold out, and I knew it wasn't going to be in stock before the sale ended, so I bought this kit so I could actually get the product. And this is the Bright Set kit. It is 150 milliliter size of the Squalane cleanser, 130 milliliter size of the Caffeine solution 5% plus Egcg, and I actually bought that individually. It has one of the glycolic acid 7% toning solution, that's 240 milliliters, and y'all, I'm still working on the first one that I opened, and I have another one, and then I'll have this one. And the last product is the Etherelated Ascorbic acid 15% solution, and that is 30 milliliters, and that's the product that I wanted to buy individually, but because it was sold out and I didn't think it was going to be in stock before the sale ended, I bought it in this kit. And I'm going to have a lot more detail on these products as I open them and as I use them. This is just an unboxing so you can see what I purchased. Y'all going crazy with Deciem. I'm glad that they only have sales like once a year, and now they may actually have it twice a year, because I think every time they have a sale, I'm gonna buy something. I'm looking, so like over here on one of my hair care shelves, I actually have some of the products that I purchased before, and then the other ones are like still in the box because I don't have space on the shelves to put them. I don't have space like in my bathroom little carousel thing to put them because it's already filled up with Ordinary products. Yo, I just want to be stocked up because, like, who knows the next time I'm gonna be able to purchase anything. I bought 12 items total. I can't recall like how much I spent, but it probably was right around $100. I believe I tried to keep it under $100. You know what, matter of fact, now that I'm recalling my credit card statement, I believe it was $94.18. That's how much I spent on these 12 products, and I think that's a good price, especially including the kit that had 4 items in them. Plus I bought 2 of the products, so I think that's a good deal. 12 skincare and makeup products for $94. Yeah, I think that's good. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for this video. Shout out to my mom for this beautiful shirt, and hopefully it's all in the camera because y'all know I'm cropping and zooming, you know, I'm just doing it. But this is, I really like this shirt. It is so pretty. And then shout out to another family member. If you noticed, since I've been back from my trip, I have been wearing this necklace. You see the necklace part, there is something attached to it, but I don't feel the need to show that. I plan on wearing it, you know, like forever. I don't ever want to take it off. I'm probably gonna have to take it off to clean it like at some point, but at this point that's probably the only time I'm gonna take it off. And shout out again, like I said, to my mom for this beautiful shirt. Y'all, she just, yeah, my mom just like fashion and like clothes, jewelry, shoes, like all of that. I just have to go to her closet. Now I gotta drive 2,000 miles to get it, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes it be worth it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.